Today we're taking a road trip, and it's to Brooklyn. We're going to be spending some time with this artisanal pizza making, cool hat sporting, pledge shirt wearing master. This isn't some bearded hipster out of Brooklyn though. This is Domenico, who's been making pizza at DiFara's pizzeria since 1965. So pizza's really hot these days, not literally, figuratively, and there's artisanal pizzas being made everywhere. Who knows what the big deal is here? Probably Dominic thinks, well, what's the fuss? Since 1965, he's been making pizzas the same way, artisanally, by hand, using imported, best, freshest ingredients, and I mean, literally by hand. He's here with the box grater, grating the cheese. He's here spreading the dough, and there's nothing showy here. This is traditional. It's methodical. It's he's very focused on this. He's not tossing dough in the air anywhere here. So it's gonna be pretty cool to see what's going on here. You've been here since 1965.
Yeah.
And you've been making your pizzas the same way since then, haven't you?
Same way.
Same way.
So no reason to change.
That's right. Absolutely. And looking at the people who've been lining up waiting to come in here for lunch, I'd say there is no reason to change. You're absolutely right.
Yeah.
Now I notice everything's done by hand. You're using your box grater there. You're breaking the cheese by hand. You're spreading the dough.
No machine.
No machine. You import all your ingredients. You're making your own sauce.
Yeah.
And it's the same way since you've been here since the very beginning. That's really fantastic. And it's great because people come in here. They love it here, don't they?
Yeah. They do.
They really do.
They come from all over you.
Of all the toppings, I mean, I've noticed a lot of pizzas are plain pizzas. What do people seem to like most these days? Pepperoni, sausage?
Well, they usually like a margherita anyway.
Oh, they do like the plain pizza.
It's like plain pizza, yeah.
And this way they get the best sense of the ingredients that you're using, right? And I'm watching this. You're breaking that mozzarella by hand.
Yeah.
You're using the box grater. The other thing I noticed, Dominic, when you're taking the pizzas out of the oven, you're using your hands.
Yeah.
Yeah, most people can't do that, can they?
I think nobody do that.
Nobody's doing that. I guess you're used to it by now, right?
Yeah.
One of the things I noticed too, Don, but you're here working, you're very focused. You're not throwing your pizza dough in the air or anything like that.
No, just show off. I know show off.
You know to show off, right?
No.
No reason to do that, right?
I told you, I used to do it, and I used to be very young, really.
But you still got good hands, though. You could probably still catch it if you wanted to, right? But it takes time to throw it in the air, and you got a lot of people, hungry people here.
Well, you see, some people, they make a lousy pizza. They have to do that, you know.
It's all show and no flavor, right?
Yeah.
So, Dominic, that's a big box of basil. You go through a lot of that basil, huh? And every pizza, you just fresh snip it right onto the pizza.
I use a lot of basil, yeah.
Yeah, how many boxes of those a week do you use, you think?
That's about 3 then, yeah. 3.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
I mean, it smells great, too. When that pizza comes out still hot and you're cutting that fresh basil on, you really get the smell.
Yeah, that's coming from Israel, you know.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So as you know, I always bring these things back around to wine. I can't think of a better person to actually have a nice little toast with than Domenico here today. I brought a Sangiovese. Sangiovese is a grape that's native to Italy, native to Toscana, to Tuscany, and it's a really good pizza wine too, isn't it? And I think Dominic likes this label. It says name of the wine is Maestro del Pomodoro. And you are a maestro of the tomatoes yourself here with this homemade sauce that you make. So let me pour us a little bit. For you, sir. Dominic, salute.
Salute.
Cindan. It's good, huh?
Nice one.
Yeah, nice wine. It's always nice to share wine with somebody.
Nice and dry, you know.
Nice and dry. Goes great with your pizza, doesn't it?
It's not sweet. Salute.
Salute. Dominic's very busy. I'll let him get back to making pizza for folks that are here. This is Zona, the Grapes Unwrapped. Join us next time when we meet more interesting people in interesting places. Great folks like Dominic are doing great things. Salute.